Okay, welcome my viewers. Let's consider another question again under law of indices. So now we have to simplify 4 to the power of what? 4 to the power of 3 minus 2, and what we have to simplify 1 over 3 to the power of minus 2. Now this kind of question is what is not what you're scared of, okay? Let's go with the flow. So now when we have to simplify 4 to the power of 3 minus 2, I told you guys last time is that whenever time you see a number, like you see a minus between two numbers, like minus in this form, now we have to put like, let's say we have s to the power of a minus what? Minus b, okay? And what's going to come to your mind is what? That's what tell me. No, this simply means s to the power of a over s to the power of b, right? In the sense that when this one is crossing this all over, I change to what? It change to minus, right? What simply means that this also stand as division. Isn't it? Stand for what? As division. This minus stands for what? As divide. It stands for what? For division. Which means that I can also make it like this. I can also make it like, can be this format. It can be s to the power of what? A divided by what? By b. Which will give us s to the power of what? A over b. Right? So now when you have to simplify this kind of equation in exam, the simple meaning is that it should what? It should make it look like what? Like a fractional what? Fractional law. Okay, you turn back to fractional law. So we are going to be having 4 to the power of what? 3 divided by what? By 2. Which simply means that we have 4 to the power of 3 over 2. Right? And what necessary is what? These two represent root. Why this represents what? Power. Okay, so let's put it that way now. Go to have this represents root. So we have root. Then we have, let's put the 4 inside of the root. 3 represents what? Power, which is 3. Are we good now? So because it is 2, that's why I didn't put 2 there. Square root represents what? 2. Okay. So what I'm going to do next is what? Is to simplify what? Simplify this 4 to the power of 3, which simply means 4 in 3 places. To give us what? 64. We have square root of 4 to the power of 3 means 4 times 4 times 4. We're going to have root. That will give us what? 64, right? We have 64 here. And what square root of 64 is what? It's 8. So we have 8 as the final answer. Right? So I hope you understand this, right? So now let's not consider this one now, which is this c. We have to solve for this c, which is you have 1 over 3 to the power of minus 2. Right? Now let's quickly solve it. Now go to r equals to, let's repeat this one first. And meanwhile, don't forget that this 1 over simply means what? A negative law of indices. In the sense that this is the law here. The law is this card is here. And we have s to the power of, let's say we have 1 over x now. It simply means that it's s raised power of minus 1 that give us what? 1 over x. Which means the inverse of what? Of this minus is what? Is 1 over x. Are we there now? So now, but instead that we're not giving in 2 ways. Like, look at it here. First thing, just always remember that 1 over means minus. That is minus, okay? That is what negative law of indices. Let's repeat this one first. We have 3 to the power of minus 2. Then we have what? 1 over means what? Minus 1. That is it. Are we there now? 1 over is what? It simply means that all what is here is having what? Minus 1. That's what it simply means. And what are we going to do now is what? To multiply this power and this power together, which is what? Product law, okay? Power multiply the power. So we're going to have minus 3 times minus 1 will give us what? Plus 2, right? Minus 2 times minus 1 will give us plus 2. So we have 3 to the power of what? 2. This plus now is not actually made. And what is 3 to the power of 2? It means 3 times 2, which will give us what? 9. So I hope you find this live very interesting, right? So don't forget to like my video, share and comment. And see you guys in my next video. Thank you.